26 from every corner of the world. One dream, one trophy. Let's go. Yeah. Lights in the sky and the world on fire. Millions of hearts and their dreams get high. From Brazil to England, the flags all rise. Every nation chasing glory tonight. Germany ready, entertaining us strong. France bringing magic all night long. Spain got vision, Portugal flair. Football fever flowing through the air. Hear the crowd go. Street. One heartbeat, one dream. World Cup fever, raise your hands up high. World Cup fever, touching the sky. From Brazil to Japan, from England to Spain. Everybody singing loud, football runs the game. World Cup fever, let the whole world know. World Cup fever, feel the passion grow. One more, one dream, one chance to shine. The world is united tonight. We have came. Our hands in the dancing under the lights. France and Germany ready to fight. England marching, Portugal flies. Millions watching with hopeful eyes. Mexico singing, USA loud. Morocco making their nation proud. River moving with speed and grace. Every team chasing first place. We came for the glory, we came for the glory. The nation standing, never backing down. Stadium shaking, hear the thunder roll. 90 minutes fighting for the heart and soul. From Africa and Europe, Asia to the young Americas. Football brings together every single one of us. And the flag, with the flag, with the flag. Wave your flags, raise them high. Feel the fight, touch the sky. Wave your flags, raise them high. The beautiful game will never die. Let's go! World Cup fever, get your hands up high. World Cup fever, touching the sky. From Brazil to Japan, from England to Spain. Everybody singing loud, come watch them now. World Cup fever, the whole world sings. World Cup fever, the stadium ring. One dream, one goal, one shining light. The world plays football tonight. One world, one game, one dream. World Cup 2026. Let the legends ride. World Cup fever. World Cup fever. World Cup fever.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more amazing content. Check out these videos on the screen and keep watching. See you in the next video.